are you?
Who's there? Let me out!
I'm just looking for the mayonnaise. Maybe you could grab it for me? Second shelf, right next to the pudding?
That's not funny. That's not funny at all. What kind of horrible person would say that to a kid stuck in a refrigerator? Besides, I ate the pudding a long time ago.
Let me open the door for you.
Yes, it's been so long. The door is stuck. You're gonna have to shoot it off.
My legs are so stiff.
They have guns! Run!
I'm gonna make this as painful as possible. You call this a fight? You are really pissing me off!
Hey, Billy.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You look like something that was left in the fridge too long.
Oh, yeah? Well, never mind. Can you help me get back home?
I hate to tell you this, but, your parents are probably dead.
Not much doubt of that.
Dead? You really think so? Then I'm all alone. Who's going to take care of me? You?
I suppose it won't hurt to see your old home. Whatever's left of it.
I hope it's still there. I had some great baseball cards.